So in my last video, we talked about what destroys the gut. What is gut killers, the foods, the lifestyle, what really does plays havoc on the gut, because we know that the gut is running the show. We're talking it is responsible for our physical wellness, our mental wellness, our immune health. It's so important. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dale LaCure. So let's talk about what we can do to help the gut. We talked about what we shouldn't do. Let's talk about what we should do. So we want to make sure that we're eating a whole food diet. We want to make sure that we're eating real food, not processed food, right? We want to make sure we're getting lots of fiber, and the requirements are 35 grams of fiber a day. So if you are reading labels, you'll be blown away by the fact that most Americans are not getting anywhere near that much fiber. So what the fibers do is really help to feed good bacteria in the gut. So they're basically prebiotic fibers. So you want to do grains and whole foods and greens and things of that nature. So we want to make sure that we're getting really healthy, nutritious foods. And I think we all know what that is. But I'm going to put a PDF in the description here that will give you a list of foods to include in your diet. Lots of like onions and garlic and greens and all those good things. So there's a nice list that you can catch in the description here. Also, we want to make sure that you're hydrated. Hydration is so vitally important for so many reasons. One of the main reasons is it really helps with digestion. It helps with elimination. You want to make sure that you're always regular, right? The fiber is going to help with that as well. But hydration is really important because you can get a lot of, headaches if you're dehydrated, inflammation in the body. Hydration is so important. So the rule of thumb is half of your body weight in ounces of water per day. That's another thing that if you start counting, you're going to realize, wow, I'm not getting anywhere near the requirements that I should be getting. And those are the base requirements that, if you're exercising a lot, you're going to need even more. You may want to do, like hydrate your body with electrolytes if you're like a vigorous exerciser. That's really important too. So whole foods, make sure you're hydrated. This is the most important part of all when it comes to good gut health is stress management. Stress management. I can't stress that enough. So you want to make sure that you are exercising every day, right? Even if it's 10 minutes walking, make sure you're moving your body, getting some exercise. That's going to help with stress. Meditation, obviously, other types of exercise, yoga, just any way that makes you feel calm, not alcohol. That's not really a good thing for the gut, but I know people will say, well, that brings my stress down. But actually, in the end, it really doesn't. It creates more dysbiosis in the gut. So you want to stay away or moderate with alcohol. Sleep. You want to make sure that you're getting really good sleep. That's going to help with stress, right? If you don't get enough sleep, you're going to be stressed. Not getting enough sleep just impacts, again, not only your mental health, but your physical health in so many ways, and your gut health is really important. And I'll talk about sleep in a little bit more detail in another video. Now, there's one thing that I'm partnered with a mental wellness company, Amare Global. We are all about mental wellness. And one of the most viral products that we have is how to get your stress levels down, right? To help you become more stress resilient. And our happy juice is the ticket for that. I love it. I just had some now. I like to take it every day. If not, sometimes I take it twice a day. But what it does is reduce cortisol levels. It increases the neurotransmitters like GABA, which is our stress resilient kind of neurotransmitter. Helps you to stay calm, helps you to be able to be more stress resilient. Things like roll off your shoulder a little bit easier. It also helps to produce serotonin and dopamine. And those are those neurotransmitters that help us feel good. Dopamine is the one for motivation, right? So this happy juice drink, which I have packet here today, I did grape. We also have watermelon and mango. The mango has a little bit of caffeine. The watermelon and the grape do not. So this is a really easy way to help to nourish the gut, because this is going to provide the body with diverse strains of probiotics, prebiotics, phytobiotics, and psychobiotics that have been clinically studied to target mental well-being, stress resilience, better mood, better energy, better sleep, all the things that we need to help us really live a more abundant and fruitful life. So I love that. I'm going to put a link for Happy Juice in the bottom, in the description there. Enjoy, take a look at it. It is like absolutely my secret weapon for keeping me on track with my health, both mental health and physical health. So I hope you're enjoying this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again.